Guys, check out Unit 22. It is going to be a Bluebird bus. We're selling it for Clyde Independent School District. It is going to be Cummins diesel power. This bus has been setting for some time. We kicked it right off. We had to put a set of batteries on it. Those batteries have since been removed. You're going to have to bring your own batteries, but it runs good, but it will not go into gear. It's showing an error code. I don't know if it's something on a sensor on the transmission, a sensor on the motor, but it's showing an error code, and it will not let the transmission go into gear. Maybe something simple. I'm not sure on it. It was running and driving when they drove it in here. Check it out online at cmauctions.com. Pick it up in Clyde, Texas.
Amigos, tenemos este otro camión, lote número 22 con 104,000 millas. Sí va a ser un Bluebird, es un camión Bluebird. Este camión tiene el código de error en la transmisión. Le pusimos la carga de batería y sí prendió, sí corrió, pero tuvieron que limpiarle el código de la batería o quitar ese código de error. Si usted viene con su máquina para quitar el código de error, puede usted mover este camión, pero yo vendría preparada para poder cargarlo con una traila. Visítenos aquí en cmauctions.com. Lote número 22 con 104,000 millas. Es un Bluebird aquí en Clyde, Texas. cmauctions.com.